Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Manifesting Your Desires. You already know it's Antonio checking in. Just came and stopped by for a quick little nature reset, as usual. Like I said, I don't know the scientific benefits behind nature. I just know what I experienced. And it's always a healing time to come back, just to walk, just to breathe, and just get away from the everyday chaos. You know, with this technology, life is moving pretty rapid. Just the everyday life. So a lot of times I find myself just getting caught up on one side of the spectrum, and a part of me, maybe subconsciously, just get caught up in the everyday world and just neglect nature. And internally I feel it, and maybe externally it shows, who knows. But I always come back. Nature trails, certain nature trails, well, all of them, but I have certain ones that, they are like a little medicine, man. Look at the small little bridge we got to cross. But it's definitely like a dose of medicine, a relief. It's all that in one. And it's like something that's needed in my life. Like I said, I can't really say what it'll do for the next person. I can't really pinpoint why I love being out in the midst of nature. But for whatever reason, maybe it got something to do with my passion, my purpose, me growing, me evolving, me healing parts of myself that I just can't do physically. So maybe me coming here and walking these nature trails and just, enjoying it, maybe it's healing parts of me that I just can't physically reach. And I'm okay with that. Because this journey of life, man, it can't get the best of you. But you'll be surprised at who's watching you. You'll be surprised at how you can help someone, not just help them financially. Because I feel like, we all want to be, I can't say we all, but, for the most part, I think everyone want to be in a financial, I don't know what was that, a financial standpoint, where you can pretty much live life accordingly, experience your freedom, experience your true growth. And that does start with a mindset. It does start with a reprogramming of your subconscious. But sometimes the everyday life, that programming, you can get caught up into it. Whether it's you working every day, scrolling on your phone, putting Lord knows what into your body, Lord knows what into your mind. And then, life got a tendency to throw curveballs from time to time. And, let's be real, sometimes you strike out. And you get to that point where you just be like, man, it is what it is. So a lot of times when I get to that point in life, when I feel like, life kind of getting the best of me, I look back and I realize one of the things that I probably haven't done in a while is come to a nature trail. Or even if I get to a point where, for some odd reason, I get up and start my day, I don't meditate. If I do that enough, it can get chaotic. I'm not saying that these things, meditation and nature, make your life perfect. But for me, it definitely makes it more manageable. I'm able to cope with a lot of stress. And I don't have to rely on external substances. So I guess everybody got to find that medium, that mode, that place that you can go and retreat to when it's, I guess, I don't want to say crazy, but you know, when it's getting a little overwhelming, when you're over sensitized. So here I am, man, just chiming in with you guys. Probably gonna walk around here, take some deep breaths, and just enjoy it, man. So I hope you guys can find y'all a place of serenity, your place of comfort, your place of ease, your place of release. And for me, it's in nature. But in the meantime, between time, man, I just wanted to tap in. Y'all hold it down. Y'all be good. Y'all be great. And until next time, peace out.